In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to allowed domains. We'll walk through updating your Google Ads security settings so only specific email domains can be invited, and then we'll send an invitation to a user with the right level of access. Start by signing in to your Google Ads account. From the main dashboard, look for the admin area. Depending on your layout, this may appear as an admin or tools icon. Open that, then go to Access and Security. This is where you manage who can access your account and how they sign in. Next, switch to the Security tab. Here you'll find the Allowed Domain setting. This feature lets you restrict invitations so that only email addresses from approved domains can be added to your account. Click Allowed Domains to open the control. Enter the domain you want to allow. Type just the domain, not a full email address. For example, enter example.com, not someone@example.com. Double-check spelling, avoid spaces, and make sure you're using the correct primary domain your team uses for email. When you're confident it's correct, click Save. From now on, Google Ads will only let you invite users whose email addresses end with that domain. With the domain in place, let's add the user. Go back to the Users section within Access and Security. Click the plus icon to create a new user invitation. In the email field, type the person's email address that matches the domain you just allowed. If the domain isn't allowed, you'll see an error, so this step is a good quick test that your security setting is working. Choose the access level for this user. For this example, select Read Only. This role lets them view campaigns, settings, and performance without making changes. It's a safe default when you want someone to review your account without risking edits. You can always adjust permissions later if needed. Finally, click Send Invitation. The user will receive an email from Google Ads with a link to accept. Once they accept, they'll appear in your users list with the role you selected. If the invite doesn't arrive, ask them to check spam or try resending the invitation from the same user's page. That's it. You set the allowed domain to control who can be invited and then added a user with read-only access for secure collaboration. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need to follow along as you set it up.